Today we're going to go over your PSAT results. You should have in front of you your booklet and answer sheet. There are 4 major parts of the PSAT results: your scores, your skills, your answers, and the next steps. We'll go over the 3 test sections that you took: the critical reading, math, and writing skills. The PSAT scores are reported on a scale from 20 to 80. The sample here shows a score of 50 for the critical reading section. Below the score is a score range. Ranges show how much your scores might vary if you took the PSAT again before gaining knowledge or skills. In this case, the critical reading score would be within 4 points, above or below 50. The performance of students with scores between 46 and 54 would be very similar. Percentiles. How do I compare to others? If you are a sophomore or younger, your scores are compared to those of other sophomores. Below your scores, you'll find information about eligibility for scholarships available through the National Merit Scholarship Corporation. Each student who takes the PSAT has a selection index. The selection index is the sum of critical reading, math, and writing scores. To enter the Scholarship Corporation competitions, you must be a full-time high school student, graduate the following year, and enroll in college full-time, complete grades 9 through 12 in 4 years, and be a U.S. citizen. If your selection index has an asterisk next to it, it means you do not meet all the eligibility requirements for entrance into the competition. Typically, it is because you are not graduating next year. If you are a sophomore, you will not be able to compete. More than 1.5 million juniors enter this competition each year. Your selection index and eligibility will be there when you receive your score report. You must take the PSAT as a junior to be eligible for the National Merit Scholarship. Your skills section is a valuable part of your PSAT. These results show a complete picture of how you performed on the different skills tested. Take a closer look to see where you did well and where you might want to improve. The same skills are tested on the SAT. To get more practice before you take that test, try the hundreds of practice questions available online at www.collegeboard.org/quickstart. The middle section of the report is the Review Your Answers section. When you receive your results, you will also get your test book. This is the one you used when you took the test. Be sure to ask for your test book if you do not have it. Your actual test book will help you make the most of your Review Your Answers section, since you will be able to go back to the questions you got wrong, and with the help of the explanations available on College Quick Start, figure out why. You can also look at the notes you made in your test book to see how you got your answer. The second column displays the correct answer to each question. The third column, you will see the answers that you chose. A check mark means you were correct in your answer. An O means you did not answer that question. If you have a letter in that box, that is the answer that you chose. In the fourth column, you will see the letters E, M, or H to identify the difficulty of each question. E means it was an easy question. M means it was a medium difficulty. H means it was a hard question. Remember that this test is for high school juniors, so it is possible that an E or easy question might seem difficult. Review your answers with the math student-produced responses. Not all the math questions on the PSAT are multiple choice. The math section contains multiple choice and student-produced response questions, or grid-ins. Here you solve problems and then recorded answers on the grid. Only answers gridded in the circles are scored. You will receive no credit for answers, even the correct ones written in your test book and not gridded or gridded incorrectly. This section provides students with their access code for My College Quick Start, where you can search for colleges, get an SAT study plan, and see your AP potential. It also connects you to the SAT website, where you can register and practice for the test. What's next? You need to use your access code to log on to My College Quick Start, a personalized college and career planning kit. There you can search for colleges, get your SAT study plan, take a personality test to find majors and careers that fit you. This is an example of what you will see when you log on to My College Quick Start. It has an online score report, which helps you learn about your test results and view projected SAT score ranges. You can compare your performance to other students who took it in the state of Indiana. Review your questions you omitted or answered incorrectly by the question's level of difficulty or by skill. Review questions and answer explanations. There's a My Study SAT plan, creates customized SAT study plans based on your PSAT results. You can try hundreds of practice questions and even try a full-length SAT practice test. My Personality helps you better understand your strengths, interests, and preferences. You can take a personality test to find your type and explore majors, careers that may be a good fit for you. You can customize this list to meet the criteria that is important to you. You can then jumpstart your college search with a starter list of colleges based on your home state and selected major. My Major and Career Matches lets you explore major and career profiles, read firsthand accounts from students and professionals. It also helps you learn about required skills and academic preparations. My AP Potential uses your PSAT scores to determine your potential for success in specific AP courses. This is an example of how your scores will be shown. You can use the drop-down box to see a major or which courses match the majors that interest you. Talk to your counselor and teachers about what you have learned. Together you can decide on which course or courses are right for you. This is the website again. It's collegeboard.org/quickstart.